Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a game-changing way to get a stunning manicure without the hassle of glue. Kiss, impress, no glue mani-press on nails. If you're someone who's always on the go or just prefers a low-maintenance manicure, keep watching because these press-ons are designed to deliver the look and feel of a professional gel manicure in minutes. These nails come in the As It Was design with a beautiful neutral green shade, almond shape, and medium length, making them perfect for anyone looking to elevate their nail game without the long salon appointments. The best part? No glue required. Just peel, press, and go. Now let's take a closer look at what makes these press-on nails stand out. First off, the design is sleek and stylish. The neutral green tone is versatile enough to complement any outfit, while the almond shape offers a modern twist on the classic nail shapes we all know and love. But beyond the aesthetics, what's really impressive is the adhesive technology. These nails come equipped with super hold adhesive that promises to last up to 10 days. That's right, 10 days of a flawless manicure, no chips, no lifting, just a smooth, gel-like finish. Application? It couldn't be simpler. The kit includes 30 nails, a mini file, prep pad, and a manicure stick, so you're fully equipped for a salon-quality look at home. Simply prep your nails with the included pad, choose the right size press-on, and press them on. No glue, no mess. The whole process takes minutes, making it perfect for those last-minute events or a quick self-care session at home. But let's talk about how these nails perform in the real world. I put them to the test over the past week, through work, house chores, and a weekend out, and they stayed put. Seriously, despite washing my hands constantly and even dealing with some light scrubbing, these nails held strong. The bond is impressively durable, so I didn't have to worry about them lifting or falling off unexpectedly. On the flip side, while the press-ons stayed put, I did notice that over time, they started to feel a bit tight towards the edges, especially around my cuticles. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's something to be mindful of if you have sensitive skin around your nails. Now, let's talk about value. The Kiss imPRESS nails come at a price point that's much more affordable than regular salon visits, and considering the quality, they're well worth the investment. You're getting 30 nails, which means you have multiple uses, and if you're someone who likes to switch up their nails often, this kit has you covered for several applications. If you're on a budget and still want a good alternative, there are other press-on options available, but I haven't found many that match imPRESS in terms of durability and ease of use. Some cheaper alternatives might not stay on as long or could require extra steps, like glue or adhesives that are less convenient. Overall, these press-on nails are a fantastic option for anyone who loves having beautiful nails but doesn't want the commitment or expense of regular salon visits. The sleek design, easy application, and strong adhesive make them a must-try for those who love a good DIY manicure. If you're looking for an easy, affordable, and long-lasting solution, these could be your new go-to. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new review. It helps others find these honest reviews, and your support keeps us going. If you've tried these press-ons or have any thoughts about press-on nails in general, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.